Hello everyone. Welcome back to episode 5 of the backtesting session. غادي نكملو backtesting session ديالنا. So far حنايا up دابا 2%. كنا conservative بزاف و I think challenge we should be a little bit more aggressive, so that's what we're doing. Last video كنا a little bit more aggressive. خسرنا شتي جوج تريدers I think. كنا down 3% at some point. And with one trade دخلنا 5%. So دابا حنايا up 2%. Okay, so yeah, we just continue I guess. سهرة تلاقي بعدين. Voilà. اوكي سو هادي الصورة نحيدوها. هادي نخليو هادي. we'll have a reaction from here. Okay, so خصنا نمشيو the next London session. حيتاش دابا ديجا خدينا تريد ديالنا for the day. So New York session مغاديش نتريديوها, so we go to the next London session. Okay, price push up lower. First change of character. So 4 hours swing structure there 4 hours is actually bearish. كانت عندنا last swing break of structure وهذا swing high ديالنا swing low price طلع لنا premium zone باش هنا يكمل push ديالو في الداون. طلع لنا هاد السبلاي هادي ديال 4 hours ومن هاد السبلاي جات the next leg ديال 4 hours. So إذا كانت هاد البوش هادي غادي تهولدي, so usually you should come and take هاد اللو هادي, هاد weak low. علاش weak low? Because it failed to do its job, مقدرتش أنها تبريكي هاد swing high. Okay. I think so far so good. So هنايا كان عندنا break of internal structure. Okay. So إذا كان برايس كان باقي غادي كمل بوش ديالو من هنايا وكان يفولفل اللو, كانت تفولفل الأوبجيكتيف ديالها اللي هو غادي تبريكي لنا سوينغ هاي. كانت هاد كان خصها هاد internal structure ديال 4H كان خصها تهولدي باش تكمل البوش ديالها. It didn't. We had a break of internal structure, so كان expected أن برايس غادي يكمل البوش ديالو في الداون. So we go to the 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes last swing high, swing break structure وهذا, our swing high هي هادي, this is our swing low. So هذا هو الرينج اللي we playing with, الرينج هذا. Let's look at the 50% ديال الزون. 50% ديال الزون نشوفو supplies اللي كاينين في هاد 50% ديال الزون هادو. So عندنا هاد area of interest هنايا, and عندنا هاد supply هادي of course. Okay. هنايا هاد change of character. بس نرجع للزون change of character. هنايا we had a break of internal structure. Okay. Because they can swing high ديالنا, swing low. Then we had a break of internal structures to facilitate the pullback باش أنه يكمل في الداون ديالو. This was our last break of internal structure. So كانت عندنا demand zone usually كان خصها تهولد إذا كان برايس باغي غادي يكمل push ديالو في الأب. It didn't. ما هولداتش. We had a small reaction from here, then هنا جات كملت البوش ديال هذا كامل. So this is a good supply zone اللي نتريديو منه. Okay, so we'll wait for price أنه يوصلنا هاد الزون هادي ونشوفو الرياكشن اللي غادي يكون عنده معاه. Okay. هادي 7 8. Okay, so let's go 8 الساعة 10 ديال الصباح. Okay, so because هاد الزون هادي, هاد supply zone هادي من وصل لهنايا we had kind of a small pullback, then price pusha جنة demand zone هادي, then we had a reaction, price رجع at supply zone هادي, من supply zone كمل push ديالو في الدعم. So usually هاد الويك هادي means بأن هاد الزون هادي هاد supply zone هادي اللي خديت كاملة it's already mitigated, so price يقدر يرجع عين هاد fractal supply zone هنايا ويكمل push ديالو في الدعم. هنايا already price جا من تما and we had a reaction from it. We had a reaction, we had a change of character هنايا. price رجع zone not fully صراحة zone بدي keep pushing again. Yeah, I guess in this case it's just not very clear. Let's look at internal structure. So هذه كانت last internal break structure ديال 1 minute هنايا last internal break structure. So هذه هي اللو ديالنا وهذه هي الهاي. So once نتسناو بلي كنا internal structure نتسناو شي pullback supply اللي بريكات internal structure شي supply zone هنايا ونكمل قدام. Let's go to the 1 minute and let's see. Thursday, nothing so far. I don't think. Managed to find something for London session. Okay, this doesn't count as a internal break structure. Weeks breaks of structures كيكونوا body. Okay, so far the internal structure still holds. Okay, so now we have a break of internal structure body. I take a supply zone right over here. صراحة yeah, we'll take it. We'll go for the 25%, 2.5 pips, and we go for 5R. Let's look at it. I think I'm taking the full zone. Taking the full zone هنايا. علاش because ملي مشيت in 5 minutes 25% ديال zone so far candle we have an engulfing candle so candle push هي كبيرة so باش انه يرجع تن هنايا تن 25% و there's more likely chance بانه يرجع علينا هاد الزون هادي باش هنا يكمل في الداون باش نرجع تا 25% so yeah يقدر يرجع تا 25% but yeah stop loss ديالنا it's above this zone right here usually إذا كان stop loss ديالنا above here كتر من 2.5 pips then we'll go for the 25% deal zone. But in this case we're good. So we'll do the same thing as always. Gonna limit, go save in journal. نجيبوها هنايا. Go for the 1 minute, go for the 15 minutes. And then we go for the 4 hours. Yep, so crochet 1:15 or 4 hours. So we'll leave it right here. And then let's see. Oh, we got triggered. Got triggered over here. And let's see what the candle's gonna do. Okay, so now again we move our trades to break even. ما كاينش شي reason بان نخليو التريد ديالنا ناس تبقى تما تخرجنا break even in case ما هيتاتنا شي full TP. Okay, so yeah, so we'll go break even. We'll go to 15 minutes to make it actually quicker. And yeah, we hit our TP. That's a good trade. We'll go to 1 minute. Yeah, that didn't look right. Okay. Tap this in. We go to Anaya. تنتين كثير إذا كنت عملت 25% ديال الزون ما كانش غادي تنحيدو هادي سيفيو هادي there's nothing to say about it صراحة but إذا كنت عملت في 25% ديال لا زون هادي 25% ديال الزون it wouldn't have hit it. Yeah, that's interesting. So that's about it. This trade is gone. هنا up دابا 7.3 let's say 7.3%. And yeah, we're done for this day. Let's go to the next London session and نشوف. Okay, هيدو هذا. It's Friday. Next London session Friday. Okay. Consider low ديالنا swing low, swing high, swing low. هادي it's not a swing high because ما بريكاتش بالبادي. So this is a full leg. هادي leg كاملة ديال swing. هنا فين جا swing break of structure so رجعت هادي هي اللو ديالنا وهادي هي الهاي. So هذا هو الرينج ديالنا. I think هنايا كانوا news لما أجوا most likely. So ملي كيكونوا news really ما كتكونش شي حاجة اللي very interesting كتبرايس كيبقى يكونسوليدي هنايا مور ما جاو news مع 2:30. Yeah, price بقى كيكونسوليدي for the rest of the day. So هنايا في the next London session and let's see 8 a.m. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Okay, so the الرباع we have our break of structure. Okay, so we had our push, pull back, then we had another leg. So this is our next low, a swing low, deal 15 minutes. This is our swing break of structure, okay? So هذا هو الرينج ديالنا دابا. We go for the 50% ديال الزون هنايا. 50% ديال الزون صراحة too much consolidation صراحة for my taste. I don't think there's something very very interesting. And yeah, I don't know. We'll look at this wick right over here. This is actually it's an actual demand zone for lower time frame. It was already mitigated هنايا, so we'll take this full zone right over here. And we'll see what's gonna happen next. $9.30. Price is moving in a weird way صراحة هنايا. Even when price وصلنا لهاد الزون هادي كيفاش غادي تريديها فهمت. There's wicks like this with change of character ما كاين لا. Yeah, there's nothing صراحة very significant ولا شي حاجة اللي كتأتراكتيني اللي نقدر نتريديها. Okay, so now it's different. دابا نمشيو ل 1 minute and look at the 1 minute نشوفو البرايس شنو غادي يعمل. Didn't have a reaction from this zone yet. Okay, this is good. Yeah, so this zone got liquidated. Just had it 10.50. Yeah, صراحة nothing interesting. I'd rather wait on a pricey heavily deeper into the discounted zone to actually look for trades. Yeah, we had a reaction from this zone. Price just wants to dip deeper. Okay, so we'll just wait. Okay, so we have this demand zone right over here. نحيدو هاد الديماند زون هادي because it did not hold. So what is this? دابا 10:45. Yeah. So nothing actually significant so far. We had a swing break of structure هنايا في low. So عنا our new swing high هي هادي. Swing break of structure so we expect price أنه يطلع البريميوم. So we have this demand zone right over here. Yes, this supply zone and this supply zone. These supply zones both are mitigated هنايا. price يقدر يطلع لي كده هادي. شاس هذا ما it's 11. So now we have a 15-minute swing break of structure to the downside. The Bokushi is actually aligned with the swing structure or internal structure ديال 4H. So swing structure is bearish. Price طلعنا premium zone to this supply zone ديال 4H. Then we had a break of internal structure deal 4H. So swing structure or internal structure deal 4H are aligned. Now swing structure deal 15 minutes is also aligned. We had a break of a swing structure. So this actually a good area to trade from because كلشي aligned في الساعة دي. Okay. So now until now price يطلع لنا one of these supply zones ونشوف كيفاش يرياكتي معاهم to actually take a trade. Okay. So now London session is actually gone. واحدة ونص دابا. Yeah, this is a good zone. This is actually supply zone. There's no liquidity below it, so most likely it is gonna get taken. If price pushes directly, then it pushes directly. Okay. So at about 3 p.m. Yeah. 3 p.m. I think it's already too late. And another day gone without finding a trade. So we will take off this and then we go to the next London session. Yeah, thank you. Usually at zones they shouldn't hold price أنه يبريك يوم, but إذا كان إذا كان سادي تكون the next daily leg, then this should hold باش أنه يكمل push ديالو في to the upside. Okay. I will have to keep that in mind, but حاجة اللي كتهمني أنا هي 15 minutes internal structure هي اللي كنفولويها. Then we had a pullback, then we had another swing breaker structure هنايا. Then oops, then so this is our swing high, this is our swing low هنايا. Okay. Remove this. So this is a swing 15-minute swing high, this is a 15-minute swing low. So as long as a price may break a share lie, then for me swing structure here 15 minutes is still bearish. Our change of character ديال 15 minutes هنايا. We have this on هادي. So price 8 هادي, then we have a change of character. So we had this supply zone right over here. The price after the swing break of structure رجعنا للزون هادي. Try to push but it couldn't. I think I need to keep it in mind. Try to push it couldn't. Then we had another leg to go a little bit deeper. Then we have a liquidation here of this high هنايا. Yeah, so let's see if the price pushes a little bit further above. Okay, so we have our change of character for 15 minutes. Then we wait for price to come back. Oh, yeah, sometimes this is what it is. كان خصني صراحة نعاود ل 1 minute ونزيد 1 minute candles باش منين وصلنا هنايا, but then I visit 5 minutes already وصلنا هنايا نبوشا. But إذا كان برايس ديجا عمل هاد اللعيبة هادي, let's see our change of character. So in the push we had a pullback. Yeah, I think we had a change of character right over here. Price مرجعش fully to the supply zone كما push ديالو في الداون. هنايا we had a break of our internal structure. Price رجع zone هنا change the character. هنايا we should already been in the trade صراحة. 2.5 pips هنايا, but yeah, I think it's too late now. Yeah, we had a reaction. I think the price is deeper. Yeah, I think let's actually set it up. Maybe price يعطينا another bullish candle هنا باش انه يكمل في الداون. So let's take this trade. I'm not sure if we're gonna get triggered or not. To be honest باقي لي 3%, so yeah, we're not gonna go for 5, we're gonna go for 3 points. Yeah, 3R. Let's go for 3R. If place our order limits, we're gonna go for the 1 minute. We're gonna go for the 15 minutes, of course, and we are gonna go for the 4 hours. Okay, so this is all good. I'm not gonna save, I'm gonna leave it like this, and let's see إذا price رجع وتريجرنا أو لا. غادي يكمل push ديالو directly في الداون. Okay, yes. It's good. We got triggered هنايا, and yeah, let's see if price is gonna keep pushing down. Yep. So yeah, view certificate. We passed the challenge. Completion time 20 days, which is it's not bad صراحة, but it's a lot. We actually took في الأول we were playing too conservative, so كنا قادرين ندوزه في قبل, but it's okay as long as the challenge is passed. That's the most important thing. Okay, so let's go here. Let's stay here. I don't think there's anything to say about this. And yeah, so first phase of the challenge passed. And yeah. So one thing I actually didn't say in the previous videos is that if I pass the first phase, I'm gonna do the second phase as well. If I pass the second phase as well, then I'm gonna go for a real 10k challenge. يا إما Alpha Capital يا إما FTMO. ديك الساعة نشوف. And yeah, we're gonna go for a real challenge and غادي ندوكيمونتيها حتى هي. Okay, so I think this is about it for this the first phase of this challenge. And yeah, so غادي نريسيتيو هادشي, and we're gonna go for the second phase in the next videos. Second phase usually it's only 5%. And yeah, we're gonna do the same thing. غادي نجيو غادي execute our strategy, our trading plan, and yeah, this is about it. Yep. So yeah, this is okay. So هادو هما analytics ديال first phase اللي دوزنا. بدينا في 3rd of November. No, sorry, this is I think this is the full thing. Yeah, so these are the analytics deal, the challenge. Name buggy 3700, but we actually passed it. Is 10% DL equity curve DL now. Actually took more buys than sells. Daily performance, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday were the best days for us. Total PNL was 1000. All win rates is 50%. Average risk to reward is 444 with 50% is nuts. So the monthly gain was 10%, week was 343, was 3.4, and the daily was 2%. So these are all averages, okay? And yeah, I think this is about it. غادي نمشيو next phase, اللي هي verification. And yeah, I'll see you guys there then. Take care.